Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with dry, damaged hair and just can't seem to get rid of frizz, then this review might be the answer you've been looking for. Today we're talking about the Hairitage Gentle Daily Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner Set, which promises to nourish, repair, and strengthen hair with a blend of jojoba oil and an invigorating cherry amber scent. Plus, it's safe for color-treated hair. I've had the chance to test this out, and I'm excited to dive into how it really performs. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more beauty tips, reviews, and tricks. Now let's get into the details. The Hairitage Gentle Daily Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner Set is formulated to address common hair concerns like dryness, split ends, and frizz. The combination of jojoba oil helps to hydrate and strengthen hair, while the set is also designed to protect color-treated hair. The shampoo gently cleanses, while the conditioner works to seal split ends and improve hair's overall strength. What's even better is the formula is free of sulfates, parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil, so it's a safer option for your strands. I'll admit, I had high expectations for this set because of its promise to improve hair strength and tackle split ends. The first thing I noticed was the scent. Cherry and amber, a perfect balance of fruity and warm, and it lingers lightly in your hair without being overwhelming. When using this duo, I found the shampoo had a creamy texture, which I really liked. It lathered nicely, leaving my hair feeling clean but not stripped. The conditioner was thick and rich, making my hair feel soft immediately. After rinsing, I could feel the smoothness, but it wasn't weighed down at all. Testing this set over the course of a week, I noticed a definite improvement in my hair texture. The frizz was significantly reduced, and my hair felt much smoother and shinier. As someone with color-treated hair, I also appreciated that it didn't affect the vibrancy of my color. It helped lock in that fresh salon look. The real standout feature, however, was how my hair felt overall stronger. While I didn't have extreme split ends to start with, the ends felt more sealed and less prone to damage after continuous use. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: gentle formula. The shampoo and conditioner are both gentle, making them perfect for daily use without irritating your scalp or hair. Strengthening. I really noticed a difference in hair strength, especially after using it for a week. Color safe. As someone who colors her hair, I'm always wary about products that might strip or fade my color, but this didn't at all. Lovely scent. The cherry and amber fragrance is fresh and not overpowering, just the right touch of sweetness. Free from harmful chemicals. It's a huge win that this set is free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, making it a safer choice for long-term use. Cons: thick texture. While the thick texture is great for moisturizing, I could see how it might feel a bit heavy for those with fine hair. Price point. The set is a bit on the pricier side for a daily shampoo and conditioner, so if you're on a tight budget, it might not feel like the best value. When it comes to value for money, it's a bit of a mixed bag. While the formula is clean and free from harmful chemicals, which adds to the overall value, the price is slightly above average for daily use products. However, the quality of ingredients and the results make it a worthwhile investment, especially if you have dry or color-treated hair that needs some TLC. In terms of comparisons, there are a few other color-safe, moisturizing shampoo and conditioner sets out there, but this one stands out because of its blend of strengthening properties and the fact that it's free from the harsher chemicals found in many drugstore options. If you're after something more affordable, brands like OGX or Shea Moisture offer similar moisturizing formulas, but this set's specific focus on bond strengthening and split end repair is what really sets it apart. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is solid with a practical pump that makes it easy to dispense the right amount. As for longevity, after a week of use, my hair still feels healthy and nourished, so I'm confident that this set will maintain its effectiveness with continued use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, I didn't have direct interaction with Hairitage's customer service, but from my research, they seem to have a reputation for excellent support when it comes to customer inquiries. To wrap things up, the Hairitage Gentle Daily Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner Set is a fantastic choice for anyone with dry, damaged, or color-treated hair looking for nourishment and strengthening. It does what it promises, offering both smoothness and strength withaut compromising on hair health. While it may be on the higher end price-wise, the results, frizz control, strength, and moisture make it worth considering for those serious about improving their hair's health. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.